Hello everyone. Welcome to the official channel of FinCrypt. Here we are today to talk about a very important topic in the field of economics. What? नहीं यार, economics नहीं पढ़ना है. It is so boring. Don't worry guys. Here from FinCrypt we are here to simplify finance as well as economics today for you. So what are we going to talk about basically today? We are going to talk about a well-known concept by Mr. Raghuram Rajan himself, that is Dosanomics. Well, today economics has become so comprehensive, so complex that individuals like you and me cannot really understand what it is all about. So we need a real master in the field of economics to explain it to us. Well, who better than Raghuram Rajan? So what his point of view was? Dosanomics अभी नाम से तो कुछ समझ नहीं आया होगा. So let us understand by an example about what he really tries to explain. So suppose take an example. जितने भी अपने इंडिया में पेंशनर्स है या फिर जितने भी रिटायर्ड इंडिविजुअल्स है who actually rely on the interest income for their life. So suppose if you have an interest of 10%, every year you will be earning that 10%, but suddenly just like the government announced a reduction in the interest rates, so if that 10% is brought down to 7%, अरे यार 3% का सीधा सीधा घाटा हो जाएगा अपने को. So then what will you do about that? So that is what Raghuram Rajan tries to explain, that instead of looking at the deduction in the interest rates, you should also look at the inflation rates at the same time. I know it is really complex right now to understand कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, let's move ahead. So Raghuram Rajan has explained this entire theory with the help of DOSA. Wow, really interesting, isn't it? And he has also explained in his book, I Do What I Do, about Dosanomics in very serious manner. So now let's move ahead to an example to understand what Dosanomics is all about. So suppose we take a scenario right now and I tell you that you have 1 lakh rupees in your hand and you are free to buy as many dosas as you want. But right now the dosa का price है 50 rupees. So कितने डोसा तुम buy कर पाओगे? 2000, right? That's a simple maths. But now is the complication where it starts. So suppose in the scenario where I told you that तुम्हारा interest rate जो है वो 10% है, right? So now you are getting 10% interest rate. So that 1 lakh will fetch you an interest of 10,000 rupees. But at the same time inflation भी तो है. So inflation भी है 10%. तो डोसा का प्राइस जो 50 था वो हो जाएगा 55. अभी तुम कितने डोसा टोटल कलेक्ट कर पाओगे? So now you will be able to buy 182 dosas with the interest income and 18 dosas with the principal amount. So total is again 2000. So you are able to buy same number of dosas in the current scenario as well as in the scenario where interest rate is also 10% and inflation is also 10%. So are you actually gaining money when you are investing money at 10% interest rate? No, isn't it? Now look at the scenario 2. That is really interesting, where you are getting a lower interest rate of 8% as compared to 10%. नहीं यार, इतना कम तो कैसे 2% का तो सीधा सीधा यहाँ पे लॉस हो गया. But at the same time, the inflation is much lower at 5.5%. So the 1 lakh rupees will earn you interest of 8,000, but the price of dosa, which was 50 rupees, after inflation will be 52.75. So now how much dosas will you be able to buy? You will be able to buy with the principal 1896 dosas, and with the interest income you will be able to buy 152. So that is a total of 2047 dosas. So if you compare scenario 1 and scenario 2, you are able to buy a higher number of dosas when you will be able to buy that only when the interest rate is at 8% and inflation is much lower than that is at 5.5%. Really interesting, isn't it? हम लोग हमेशा बोलते रहते हैं कि नहीं यार इंटरेस्ट रेट ज्यादा चाहिए, एफडी पे ज्यादा पैसा मिलना चाहिए, सेविंग्स अकाउंट पे ज्यादा पैसा मिलना चाहिए. बट डू वी रियली लुक एट व्हाट द इन्फ्लेशन रेट इज? Do we actually know how much money we are gaining, how much money we are losing? No, right? So here Mr. Raghuram Rajan has explained to us in a very simple way about how the inflation works. So the entire premise behind this is that how how to manage the monetary policy of India, how to manage the inflation, how to manage the interest rates, and he was a master at that. So what Dosanomics basically was a medium of Raghuram Rajan to tell the retirees that you are getting more dosas with even with the lower interest rates. So the bottom line, inflation. Inflation is the silent killer of your entire savings. If you do not plan your money properly, you will always end up losing. So not only you should look after the interest rate which the FD or any other kind of investment is fetching you, you should also look at the inflation which will help you get to the real rate of return. So this was all about Dosanomics. So guys, I hope I have explained this concept in a very simple way about how you would understand it. So in the same way where I gave an example about dosa, so let's have few more examples and you guys can comment them in the comment section, and let's see what new creative examples we get here. So guys, this is the official channel of Encrypt. Keep following us. Thank you.